Hey everyone, this is Leela. Welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will try to learn about the file system in the Node.js, how it will work. So I will try to show you one simple scenario in the Node.js. If you are able to understand this one means, so you can able to so that means I can able to understand that you know about the file structure in the Node.js or Unix or something like that. So let's try to see it. So here I am in the folder, right? So I will create a new folder, something like let's say that path. Okay, in this path folder I will create a new another one, so let's say folder. So inside this one I will create a new file that is nothing but app.js, and another one which I would be trying to create is something like let's say the text.txt file. Let's text.txt file name, text.txt file. And the last one is in the path itself I will create a new file, file.js file. So these are the files which I will be trying to create. In the app.js I will write in such a way that constant fs is equal to require of fs. Okay, so now I would be requiring the file that is nothing but require of file.js file. Okay, so that is nothing but, so it is in the root directory, so something like this file.js file. So now I would try to get the content of this file. Content is equal to fs.readFileSync of. So I will be trying to go one step forward, and it is present, or otherwise no. So here this is file.js is step forward, and in the same folder it is there, so I can get something like file.js file. Okay, so now here it is in the current directory one, right? So it is in the current directory, and this one file.js file. And here what I would be trying to do, so here, so as this one is single file only, so simple file only, just I want to show you. So here I will do console.log content. Okay, so this is the thing. First you can do content.toString. So fine. So now in the text.txt, this is some random text, and here I will do the console.log file.js console reading or something like this. So now this is the code which I have written. So now here app.js and the text.txt are in the same folder, and this one is in the root folder. So here, so that's why I am able to get that this one, so file.js, and here this is the thing which is a text.txt file. So I will be trying to read the text.txt file. So that's it. So now let's try to run this code. So how this code will be running, so whether it will throw an error or it is thing. So here the app.js is there. So require file.js means I move one step forward, and the file.js fine, and the ./txt means, so here, so this current directory, so I took this one, so it's looking like one and the same only. So now when you try to run this Node.js, okay, let me try to clear it off. So here if I try to run node app dot, sorry, so node path slash folder slash app.js, if I try to run it, see the file.js console reading is we got that one, we are able to read this file. But here when we are trying to read the fs file, so it is telling that no file or directory is existing. So this is the problem we are getting it. Okay, fine, let's try to see the code. So that means it is unable to find this file. So text.txt is in the file, and the file.js is also in the file. So I will try to move this file.js into the same directory. Okay, so move it, and I will try to change this one to like this. So here this has been changed to like that. So both are existing in the one and the same only, right? File.js and text.txt both are existing in the folder file. So now I will try to run this code, so whether we can able to get the output or not. So if I try to get run this one, so we are able to see that file.js console reading is working fine. But if you try to see here, so this one no such file or directory, so this is not working. So what is happening here? What is the problem happening? So now if you are able to understand this one means, so why it is happening, this one means, okay fine, so you know about the path module and all those things. So but if you are not able to understand this, so try to understand this one. So a couple of videos I will explain you about this one. So now here, before understanding why this is happening, so you need to understand about the file structure. So how the file structure will be working in the Unix. So normally in the I'm not talking about the Windows and all the things, so just I will be talking about the Unix thing. So normally in the Unix platform or in the thing, so everything will be denoted by slash. Okay, so this is the root, so So more than that, nothing will be there. So this is the main root path. So it is denoted by slash. And from here onwards, it will be starting. So you will be having bin. Okay, so where the system binary files will be residing, like cat, rm, like these files will be there. The next one comes the users. So users. So next one is the users, and the next one will be etc. So if you try to check the Linux or the Mac OS or anything, so next one is the usr, user, and also last one is the prop. So these type of files. So we will be having so many files also. Just I am trying to explain you major files. So this is the root part, and and one down below you will be having these all the things. So in the user section you will be having the users, the current users who will be logged in. So in my user, so I will be having Leela. So this is my current thing, and inside this one you will be having the desktop and all those things you will be having it. Okay, and this one is called as an $home. So this is the home directory. So this is the home directory. So whenever you log in into the Leela, so this whenever you pick tilde will be there, right? So you will be able to see. So this one is the home directory. And if you try to check, so now you will be having in the desktop or in the Leela, you will be having the so that Node.js Unix folder and all those things you will be having in this folder only. So why? Because this is the user which I will be trying to do. And here you will be having the local, and here you will be having again the bin. So if you try to see, so this bin and this bin is not equal. So here you will be having the system binary files, whereas here bin you will be having the custom user created binary files. So these are the things which you will be having. So this is the whole what I mean to say is file structure of the Unix file structure. So this is the thing which you need to understand before going into the further. So that's it. This is all the file structure you will be having in our Unix operating system. So not only Linux operating system, whichever is the POSIX based operating system, so you'll be having this one. So if let me try it in the terminal. So this is our terminal, right? Let me clear it off. This one I told you, right? So the home page, the root path will be the slash. It will be denoted by slash. If you try to press ls, so you will be able to see the etc and also the users, and also here you'll be able to see the home, temp, user, so the bin. So these are all the different types of folders you'll be having. Depending on the operating system you will be able to have. So these are all the things which you will be having, and you'll be able to see the users, right? So this is the users which you'll be having. If you go to the users here, and if I type ls, so you will be able to have Leela and also the shared. So this is the Leela, so which is my username which I will be having. So if another user is there means you will be able to have another operating system. And now if I am logged in means, so here this one will be the home directory, and if other user logged in means, so then they will be having their own folder. So in that one they will be having their own desktop and their own downloads folder, everything they will be having. So they will be having their own thing. So in this way, so we will be having different types of file system. So now, so this is all about the file system structure in the Unix. In the next video, what we will try to do it is, so what are the different types of things which we need to understand, which we need to remember while we are traversing through the thing. This is all entirely, this one is a tree. So now here, whatever the things you are trying to see is an entirely, it's a tree structure. So it is, this is all is a tree structure. So now if you are in the users means you can go to the proc, you can go to the user bin. If you are in the bin means you can go to this Leela. So like this in the tree structure, you can traverse everywhere, wherever you want it. So in order to traverse in this Unix style structure tree, so you need to understand three or four things will be there which you need to understand while traversing to this one. In the next video, I will try to explain you about those things so that you can have a clear understanding how we can traverse through this one in the terminal, and not only in the Node, in Python, Java, everywhere, wherever you are working on this type of POSIX based of thing. So you'll be able to understand it. So that's it guys about this one. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.